again to another beautiful day. So in today's video I want to show you guys how you can use StreamYard. Yes, StreamYard is very good and is a social media that you can be able to do your live stream on YouTube as much as you want. So now what you need to do is to go to StreamYard, okay? StreamYard, and it's very important. When you go to StreamYard.com, when you go to StreamYard, click the StreamYard, and the first thing you will see is a StreamYard. Okay, click the StreamYard, and then you will need to log in here. I'm going to log in with this account, so it will be easy for me. Now, after you log in here, this is the dashboard that you will find yourself in. Because I have already come in before, I just need to immediately go to enter the studio. When I enter the studio, you will see the dashboard sharing your studio. As you can see, hi everyone, welcome back again to another beautiful day. It's me, Rosa Kachi, in the building. So it's a tutorial that I want you guys to look at. Okay, so at this point now I'm in my studio, and what I need to share is to enter a studio. When I enter studio like this, the first thing you will see is an empty space, which is this first dashboard. This first dashboard, it shows that you never put yourself up. You are still inside the studio yet. Now what you need to do is to go to this site, and then you add to the top. When you add it to the top in this way, it will show immediately, and your audience can be able to see you. So there is something here which I want you to see. It said go live. When you click go live, immediately it will go to live. But I want you guys to pay attention on this set. Example, you have so many people that you will love to invite and let them come and watch live stream with you. What do you need to do is for you to go to invite. When you click invite, immediately it will tell you to invite guests to the studio. First thing, you want to share it to your community. Copy this link, and then you go back to, you close it, and then go back to your community. Example, this is my community and I want to share it to my community. Go to your community here, and then click this place, and then you press it, and then you share it here. Sorry guys, sorry. So now I have already shared it here. You will see my StreamYard in this place. Sorry guys, my network yet blank out. So yeah, so after I have already done that, what you need to do is to go to the setting and see in this setting you check your audio. When you see your audio here is default, then you change the audio. If you have extra mic, you click this place and then plug in extra mic that you have. Okay, so if you have extra speaker, you click this one and you plug it in. Like example, I have extra speaker, I can plug this one in, and then I will start it. So if you want to record, you click this place and then you record. So this is the same thing. This layer is for you to have a free. Another thing I want you to pay attention, if example you have 5 people or 3 people that are coming, click this place and then you will see that there are 3 boards in this place. Okay, you click the layout and then you allow the people to come in. You add your item if you want to, and then you go back to this place. So now this is the place that you will start saying hi everyone, welcome to channel. So now we never start going to live stream yet, right? We never go to live stream yet. So now it will tell you the YouTube chat has ended, but you can always go back to YouTube comment section and record it. Now I never go live stream yet. If you click here go live, bam, immediately it will go live. So in this way, it's easy for you to go live on YouTube through StreamYard. So this is a free website that you can be able to go to live stream, okay? One thing you need to put in your mind is that when you click this place and you remove the scene, if you don't want to show your face, you will see that the scene is no more there. Other people, they're the one going to show. So if you want to represent your item, you click here, then you put your file, the video file, or maybe you want to share your screen. You share your screen here. And then if you have a video file, you share the video file here. And if you want to go to setting and set some things, you do that. It's very important. Another thing here is to stop the camera. When you click stop the camera, it will show you in this way. If you click this mute, your voice will show. On mute, your voice will not show. So in this way, you just click go live and bam, you are on live stream. So now if you want to click out, you said you don't want, you are done with your live stream, just click here, leave the studio. When you click leave the studio, you will go back to your normal place, which is the normal StreamYard site. And then on this way, your account is here. You will see everything which you need to be done. And also, if you are someone who wants to upgrade it, you can upgrade it here. But if you don't want to upgrade it, you can just do it in this way. So if you have another destination, you will just click here and add extra destination. Example, you have want to go to Facebook, you click here Facebook, you connect it. If you want to connect it to Twitter, you connect it. Connect all your StreamYard to be one at the particular time. This one is upgrade one. If you upgrade, then you can have chance to go to live stream at the same time. Example, you have your Facebook page, you want to go to your Facebook page the same time, you want to go to your Instagram the same time, you want to go to your Twitch the same time, you want to go to your LinkedIn the same time, YouTube channel the same time, X, Twitter the same time. You just need to choose all of them. And when you are done choosing all of them, those are the most popular one that you need to go in. Those are the short and the real, okay? Short is up here, and this is the main pages if you want to go for 2 hours long duration. This one is 60-second long duration. So if you go here, it will give you a longer period of time for you to be on display. So that is how you will learn how to go in with StreamYard, and you can use the StreamYard. It's a free version, and then you're good to go. So let me go back and bam, yes guys. So I believe that you guys have learned something from this video. Thank you so much for always coming back, and thank you for supporting the channel by subscribing, like, share, and leave your beautiful comment in the comment section. Thank you, and God bless you again. If you have any question, please do not hesitate to ask any question. So this is the link before I post, which is a StreamYard link, and anyone who will click this link, okay, immediately they will be directed to my live stream. But now, because I'm not doing any live stream, I just need to delete it, okay? So thank you so much, my beautiful audience, and God bless you. If this tutorial helped you, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you again in our next video, and bye for now.